In a humble village lived a poor but honest man. Though he had little money, he was rich in values. His pride was his son John, a young man full of dreams. Father and son talking outside their hut. His father to John, "My son, always remember this. Even if you don't have money, if you have a good name and honor, people will respect you." John listened, but deep in he wondered, can honor feed an empty stomach? Soon John left the village to work in town. There he saw how money could buy comfort, power, even fake smiles. He started believing that money mattered more than values. John wearing fancy clothes, ignoring villagers, acting proud. He took a job with a rich merchant known for his shady deals. At first, John felt proud, but slowly he saw the cost. Lies, betrayal, and fear. Merchant said to John, "Forget your village ways. In this world, money rules." John caught in a fraud, humiliated by townspeople. One day, John was blamed for something he didn't do. The merchant left him to suffer. People who praised him turned away. With no one left, he returned home, ashamed, broken. He returned to his village, John kneeling before his father, in tears. "Father, you were right. I lost everything chasing money. I lost myself." His father hugging him. "You may have fallen, but you stood back up. That's honor, my son." Moral of the story: in a world obsessed with wealth, honor still shines the brightest, because a good name once earned is more valuable than gold. Money can be stolen. Honor, you carry for life.